Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the item you want into reach. Put it in your hotbar or hold it in your main hand. Once done, open your inventory E and look at the small offhand slot near your character model. That is where left-hand items live. If the slot is already occupied, make sure you either move that item out or use the swap items key, F, to exchange main and offhand quickly. This saves time and keeps your setup consistent for the next step. Now perform the actual transfer. You drag and drop the item from your hotbar or inventory into the offhand slot. This immediately equips it in your left hand. If you need only one from a stack, right-click the stack to pick up one and drop it into the slot, which is handy for torches or food. If you prefer keyboard speed and the offhand already has something, press the swap items key, F, to exchange items between hands instantly. Make sure you keep an eye on cooldowns for tools or shields when swapping. Finish by verifying the item shows in your left hand in-game and behaves as expected. Use or hold it to confirm function. If nothing changed, double-check your keybinds and that you open the standard inventory screen. Some mod packs or custom UI settings alter the offhand slot. On multiplayer servers, remember plugins or game rules can restrict offhand use, so ask an admin or test in single player. If swapping still fails, move the item to a different hotbar slot and try the drag method again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.